Okay, so today, my name is Jeremiah, and today we're gonna have a Rubik Cube tutorial. So, at first I want to show you something very funny, but it's not funny to me, because I did it a lot of times. It starts from here, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so from this, I have to mix it up. 3, 2, 1. Da! I did it. It's mixed up. Now, let's mix it up and fix it back. 3, 2, 1. Voila! I did it. Please clap for me. I clap for myself. And please clap for me. Thank you. And also, I want this video to be up to about like 17, now it's 11 subscribers. And so, I'll show you something very funny. You want to see two? Sorry about that. You want me to see 2 Rubik's Cubes in my hands? 3, 2, 1. Sorry about that. I can't find it. I only have like 1. And so, goodbye. This is the end of my sharing. I hope you enjoy it. Let me grab something. I'll be back in a sec. Ciao, gineseo.